Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Today, let's teach people how to call your relatives because we've been talking about, Hakka here for so many years, and I think we've mentioned a few, maybe like father, mother, brother, sister, and that's about it. But let's give you a complete list of how do you call your relatives, from uncle to auntie to elder brother, younger sister to your grandparents, etc. etc. 今天我们就很完整的从这个外公外婆、爷爷奶奶、爸爸妈妈，然后姐姐、哥哥、弟弟、妹妹。还有连岳父岳母我们都来教，要不要？
好啊，好啊，
好不好？
好啊。
OK， so 最简单的第一个就是爸爸妈妈。
阿爸。
哦，阿爸。
阿梅。
阿梅哦，我差点刚要叫你阿梅。阿梅你好。
阿梅。
因为阿梅感。
阿梅嘅爸还是会讲乖赖。
乖赖是什么？
乖儿子。
乖。Okay, so that's how you say father and mother. 阿爸。阿梅
Yeah.
Okay. Then how about grandparents?
阿公阿婆。
哦，阿公阿婆 Okay, that's grandpa and grandma. 因为有些人结婚了，对不对？要很尊敬这个岳父岳母，也就是 father-in-law and mother-in-law.
聪明咯，聪明爱。
聪明咯，聪明爱啊。聪明咯是岳父吗？然后聪明爱 that's mother-in-law, and they're very 聪明。It sounded like smart, you know? I guess you have to respect your father and mother-in-law, 哈。那聪明怎么说？
阿金啊。
阿金 Okay, that's smart. Okay. 阿姨跟叔叔。
阿姨。
阿姨。
阿叔。
阿叔。Okay, that's auntie and uncle. And finally, elder brother and then the younger brother. 哥哥弟弟。
阿哥。
并阿哥啊，阿哥是姑姑啊，阿哥啊，
那是阿哥啊。
哦，那是阿哥哦。And you got to be very careful. It also sounds like auntie at the same time in Chinese, but 阿哥. Okay, that's brother, elder brother.
老台.
老台, that's younger brother. And then elder sister, 姐姐.
阿姊.
阿姊. 这个 I like this. And then younger sister, 妹妹.
老妹.
老妹. Okay, so those are all the relatives that you might have, and next time when you see them, you can actually call them fluently now. So that does it for today's Hakka lesson.
什么大家？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.